Let's take a quick tour of CiCis Kitchen. As you walk in, we'll start over here on the right with the refrigerator. On the door, you'll find the QR codes to scan if we've got something in here that you want to just grab real quick. Got everything from ice cream, chicken nuggets, milk, energy drinks, coffee, eggs, breakfast kits. Take your choice, but you can pay for them. There's a cash jar in the refrigerator, or you can pay for them online with your card. All right, starting over top of the refrigerator, nothing in these cabinets up here. Empty cabinets. Moving to your left, the top row of cabinets, starting at the far right, you will find ice cream sundae bowls at the top. Each shelf is labeled so you can tell what's in there. We've got our ice cream sundae jars at the top. Toward the bottom, we've got kiddie bowls and kiddie cups. On the very bottom, you got your drinking cups. Next drawer over, starting at the bottom with your wine glasses. In the center shelf, you'll find kiddie plates, baby spoons, and toddler utensils. Ice cream sundae bowls at the top of that cabinet. Moving to the left, top, you'll find bowls. 6 total bowls on the top shelf, 6 total bowls on the middle shelf, and 4 bowls on the bottom shelf. So you have plenty of bowls for cereal and things like that. Next cabinet over. Going to come to our plates. We've got small plates, 16 of them at the top. Bottom, we've got our large plates, which are also 16, plus a large tea pitcher jar or anything else you'd like to put in a pitcher. Moving to the left, the cabinets. To the left of the cabinets, you'll find a variety of different Tabasco flavors. Feel free to use those in any cooking you do. A big cook-all pot, and then next to that, a toaster, a 4-slice toaster. Below that, a colander, an electric can opener, and the lemons aren't real, so don't try to eat those. In the middle, in the summertime, it gets pretty hot. We've got a window unit here to help with the central air if it gets too warm in the kitchen. Moving to the left of that, at the top, you'll find a hand blender. In the middle, more Tabasco flavors to try out. And on the left, doesn't get used much, but we do suggest that you take advantage of the milkshake blender. We've got some malted milk there. We have flavors over in the Main Street room. Make yourself a milkshake. We've got ice cream in the refrigerator and also milk if you forget to bring it. Down on the bottom shelf, we've got your cooking utensils, which are all silicone coated, so we can use them in the non-scratch. In the middle, you'll find a full knife set along with another cooking pot. Move to the left. You'll find all your cooking pans in that cabinet. Down on the bottom is a broiler pan for the oven. To the left, you'll find some assorted garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, chili powder, and Italian seasoning. On the center shelf, you'll have Worcestershire, soy, and olive oil. Up in the top, you'll find Lowry's seasoning, Cajun seasoning, Adobe Mexican seasoning, and barbecue seasoning. Over the microwave in the top cabinet, find a large mixing bowl on the right. On the left, you'll find 3 medium mixing bowls. To the left of that, you're going to find 2 pot plates and 2 loaf dishes, a large baking dish, and a small, medium, and large baking dish, plus a mini muffin pan, 1 each of those. Also to your left, you'll find the fire extinguisher, a first aid kit, anti-itch cream, and some cookbooks there if you want to try some different cooking while you're here. Move across to the stove. You've got a video on that also. Paper towels, a air fryer, got your sink, dishwashing, and dish soap and hand soap. In the corner over here, we've got a power blender and an Instant Pot. You can also use that for cooking your rice and different things like that. Let's move to the lower cabinets down here. Top right, all the cabinets are labeled on the outside with what is contained in them, so you'll know what's in there before you get there. We've got a food scale, kitchen shears, matches, fire starter, log, and some matches. Lower cabinets, you're going to find 9-inch baking dishes, 2 large baking dishes, 2 of each of those. Up from there, you're going to find a mixing bowl with a funnel. Next cabinet over has a bundt pan and a salad spinner. Next cabinet, large measuring bowl on the bottom, a small, medium, and large glass container for leftovers, and 2 small ones with lids. Drawer up from that, you're going to find your napkins and placemats, 8 each of those. To the drawer over from that, again, everything's labeled, but you'll find all your utensils in there with knives, forks, spoons. Cabinet below that, you're going to find a rolling pin, a pizza cutter, and a vegetable dicer. Below that, you'll find 2 pizza pans. Dishwasher to the left of that. Under the sink, you'll find dishwasher pods, sponge stainless steel scrubber, along with some dishwashing detergent and some Dawn. Next drawer over, we've got extra trash bags in there for you. Move to the shelf up above, you're going to find dish rags in that drawer. One below that, let's see, looks like we've got an empty cabinet down here. Over to the left of that is also an empty cabinet. And you got your oven. To the left of that, we're going to have oven mitts and hot pads, an air fryer and parchment paper. I'm sorry, air fryer, parchment paper, and a grater. Below that, a selection of freezer and storage bags. Below that, you're going to find your aluminum foil. In the island to the center of the kitchen, you'll find a couple of large cooking pots, good for gumbos and things like that. Large frying pan, and some more mixing bowls with lids. As we move across to the fireplace and wood burning stove, you got a selection of iron skillets. They're not just there for decoration, they actually work. So if you like cooking with iron skillets, you've got quite an assortment to use. A couple of these up here are very old. So my grandfather actually used this one and had to weld it up when he broke it. So they've been around for a long time. We hope you enjoy them. That's a quick tour of CiCi's Kitchen.